Hello guys, what's up to you? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the missing display setting on your Nvidia Control Panel. Right, so in normal conditions, this display setting, the different options should show up, but in case that it's not, we have three different remedies or solutions for you. First thing is go to Device Manager on your Windows, and here find the display adapters, and then the drop down, click on Nvidia Force RTX, and make sure that the status states that this device is working properly. Now if it's not working properly, we have another way that you can do in order to fix the or show the display settings. Go to here on your taskbar, just click on Nvidia GeForce Experience. You can see here on my screen, and then once you click that, simply log in here, and then click drivers and update your driver. That's what we're going to do. Update your driver in GeForce Experience. Now lastly, if it still did not fix your problem, what we're going to do is click on search for services, like here, and then scroll down till you can see Nvidia display container, and then under properties, make sure that it is under automatic, right? And also the Nvidia frame view and Nvidia local system container. So yeah, once you're done with that, you should be able to see the display settings under your Nvidia control panel. That's it. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Hope this solves your problem.